Hey, it's Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Welcome to our detailed look at our range of automotive jacks and stands available here at topmac.co.nz. Our range starts with great portable jack solutions. Whether you're out four-wheel driving or just simply commuting from A to B, it's common sense to have a jack in your vehicle. We have a wide variety of options for this essential item, including scissor jacks, bottle jacks, and floor jacks. Just need to replace a missing scissor jack? No worries. We have Torrens 1.5-ton load capacity scissor jack, ready to chuck in the boot. For any job, in any industry, choosing the right tool to work with is crucial for smooth, efficient, and safe operation. First off, let's take a look at the difference between floor and bottle jacks. One offers stability, ease of use, and high speed, while the other provides optimal power, compact size, and affordability. Bottle jacks are a great option for many vehicles on the go, including trucks and four-wheel drives. They're mounted vertically, and the more straightforward design allows them to lift more weight to higher elevations. These jacks are compact, easily stored, and significantly more affordable. Truck owners in particular might find bottle jacks an ideal solution, as clearance is generally not an issue and easy storage is possible in a cab compartment. This portability also makes bottle jacks especially useful in emergency situations, as they can be easily carried to the scene. They're also regularly used outside the automotive industry, particularly in construction, such as lifting houses and temporary piles. We carry Torrens blackjack bottle jacks, ranging from 2 to 32-ton capacity. For more information and specifications on our entire bottle jack range, check the links below or simply search bottle jacks on our website. It's important to note that bottle jacks are not as stable as some other options due to their smaller footprint. Also, as they can be physically quite tall, are not a great option for low vehicles. Which leads us on to floor jacks, which can provide a more solid, low-profile solution. Floor jacks find their home in the garage or workshop. One of the most obvious advantages of floor jacks is their portability. Unlike bottle jacks, most floor jacks have casters allowing them to be easily repositioned on the fly. Fortunately, although portable, they are also somewhat bulky and unwieldy, which can be a drawback when space is at a premium. The hydraulic cylinder is positioned horizontally, which means lifting capacity is compromised for ease of use. They sit low to the ground and easily roll under low vehicles. At TopmaQ, we even offer specialised low-profile jacks for extremely low cars. Our full range includes Torrens Big Red and Blackjack floor jacks, ranging from 1.5 to 4-ton capacity. We also have pneumatic options, up to a massive 40-ton lifting capacity for forklifts and heavy machines. Hopefully, after looking at some of the pros and cons of both bottle jacks and floor jacks, you'll be able to make a well-informed decision on your next purchase. If you're still unsure about your best option, feel free to come on down and spin us a yarn, or jump online to topmac.co.nz. If you're doing any work under the car, jack stands or supports must be used to hold it in place. You should never go underneath a vehicle that is held up only by a jack. Why, you ask? If the seal or valve leaks slow enough that you don't notice, you might start work, not discovering until it's too late, and a slowly lowering vehicle becomes a life-threatening problem. Simply put, why would you take the risk when we offer a huge range of support stands at very affordable prices? With both high and low heavy-duty models in stock, with weight capacities of up to 20 ton, we have the right stand for any job. Lifting more than just vehicles? We've made another handy video on our TLP hydraulic jack range, which you can check out up here. A few quick tips if you've never jacked up a vehicle before. Always put your vehicle into park/neutral with the handbrake on. Always chock the wheels before jacking up the car. Check your jacking points. The first place to look is in your vehicle's operation manual. Always jack on a hard, level surface. And never go under the vehicle unless it's held up by support stands. Remember, a jack is a lifting tool, not a support tool. Alrighty guys, make sure you get on down and check out our full range of automotive jacks and stands available here in-store or online at topmac.co.nz. For more reviews, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Sam from TopmaQ and we'll see you next time.